Experiencing one Galaxy Bud draining faster than the other is a common issue, often stemming from slight battery cell variations during manufacturing. Each earbud has its own battery and relies on Bluetooth and software for synchronization, often stemming from slight battery cell variations during manufacturing. Usage asymmetries, such as using one bud more for calls, or connection issues can also cause uneven battery drain. Let's explore practical fixes to get your Galaxy Buds working optimally. Samsung frequently releases firmware updates to address battery imbalances in Galaxy Buds. These updates include battery calibration algorithms that help synchronize the batteries in each earbud, reducing the issue where one side drains faster. To get these updates, use the Galaxy Wearable app on your Samsung phone. This app manages all your wearable devices and provides easy access to firmware updates. Here's how to update your Galaxy Buds firmware. First, connect your buds to your phone via Bluetooth. Then open the Galaxy Wearable app and navigate to the Earbuds Software Update section. Before calibration, batteries may drain at different rates. After the firmware update with battery calibration algorithms, the batteries synchronize and drain more evenly, improving overall battery life. Resetting your Galaxy Buds can often resolve software glitches causing battery drain. If one bud is draining faster, this process can restore balance. First, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. This is Samsung's companion app for managing your buds. Navigate to the Settings menu and select General. This section contains system-level options for your buds. In the General menu, tap Reset. This will restore your earbuds to their factory settings, clearing any software glitches. After resetting, repair the buds with your phone through Bluetooth settings. This reconnects them and allows the app to recognize the restored devices. By resetting and repairing, you clear out any corrupted data that might be causing uneven battery drain, restoring balanced performance. Always charge both Galaxy Buds together in their case to ensure balanced battery levels. When you charge them individually, one earbud might receive more power or discharge differently, leading to the imbalance you're experiencing. The charging case is designed to distribute power evenly to both buds simultaneously. Avoid extreme temperatures, as heat can accelerate battery degradation. High temperatures cause lithium-ion batteries to degrade faster, leading to reduced capacity over time. Cold temperatures can also affect performance temporarily. Keep your Galaxy Buds in moderate environments between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal battery health. Store your buds in the case when not in use to prevent accidental battery drain. When earbuds are outside the case, they may continue to draw small amounts of power for connectivity and sensors, causing uneven discharge. The case provides protection and puts them in a low-power sleep mode, preserving battery life. Be sure the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the case are clean. Dust, dirt, or residue can interfere with proper charging, causing one earbud to charge less efficiently than the other. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the contacts regularly. Avoid using liquids or abrasive materials that could damage the components. Be mindful of how you use your earbuds. If you consistently use one bud more than the other, it will naturally drain faster. Ensure a stable Bluetooth connection by keeping your phone close to the earbuds. Interference can cause increased power consumption as the buds work harder to maintain a connection. Try unpairing and repairing your earbuds. If the battery drain issue persists after trying software fixes and resets, it may indicate a hardware problem with your Galaxy Buds. In this case, contact Samsung support through the Galaxy Wearable app, their website, or by phone. Make sure you have your proof of purchase ready, as this is required for warranty claims. Samsung will typically try a software fix first. If that doesn't resolve the issue, you may receive a replacement under warranty. The standard warranty period is 1 year from purchase. According to Samsung's support forum data, a significant portion of reported battery drain cases are resolved through software fixes or replacements, with about 70% handled via software updates. Looking ahead, the future of true wireless earbuds includes proactive battery management systems. Newer models are integrating AI-driven battery optimization to predict usage patterns and automatically balance discharge between the left and right earbuds. Graphene-enhanced batteries are also being explored, offering improved uniformity in capacity and significantly faster charging times compared to traditional lithium-ion cells. Further advancements include self-healing battery technology and over-the-air diagnostics, which will automatically repair minor damage and monitor battery health remotely, minimizing imbalances and extending overall lifespan. Experts agree that battery imbalance is common in true wireless stereo earbuds due to manufacturing variances in battery cells. This issue affects approximately 10 to 20% of users across different brands, including Samsung Galaxy Buds. To prevent this issue, regularly calibrate your buds using the Galaxy Wearable app. Always store both buds in the charging case when not in use, and keep your firmware updated for the latest battery optimizations. Additionally, avoid exposing your buds to extreme temperatures, as this can accelerate battery degradation. While some degradation over time is natural, these preventative measures can help maintain balanced performance between both earbuds. If the battery imbalance persists despite these steps, consider contacting Samsung support for further assistance or potential replacement under warranty.